participants. Now, before I just need 8 minutes of your time, everyone who's in the call, because right now, as we know, this is a part of the challenge. How many of you are participating in the challenge that we are running starting January 31st? Just put a C in the chat if you are participating in the challenge. So a lot of people here, I think, are participating. Thanks a lot, Mary, Falcon. So people who are not participating in the challenge, let me just request you. This is a challenge. We have limited free seats available still. So we have a limit. Please try to join this challenge. And it's a very good way of learning. We have a lot of people here who have joined the challenge. I can see Ramant here as well. He also participated in the previous challenge as well. And he is also a nice to see you after a long time. He has a residency 5 as well here. So this is the challenge page, right? Everyone who is a part of the challenge, this is something that you all will see. As of now, we have approximately 215 participants that are there. This is the first day one is going to start on 31st of January. There is a WhatsApp group. I want every one of you who are part of the challenge to join the WhatsApp group, and please complete day zero. This is your day zero. We call it the checkpoint. The first checkpoint that is there. This is the day zero. And there are some videos that are there. There is free mini support materials. There are a lot of things for you in this particular challenge that all of you know is we have before we have used to have two paths. One is the coding and LLM integration path, that is for people who are a little bit they know Python, they know coding. But there is one more path, that is the no code low code path, where people can pick up any low code tool like voice flow, lang flow, and build something and share it with us as well. And then there is one more path, that is the IRIA path. So if you are, IRIA is one of our partners for this particular challenge as well. So they are also doing a workshop here. So if you go to the day zero checkpoint, you can register for this free workshop that is happening next Monday. So this is a very good agentic flow tool for you to build your applications that are there quickly. And the demo is going to be there. So people who are completely at a beginner level, they have not done coding, they want one more new tool to learn and put it in their toolkit basket, then you can come and register to this session. But there is no mandatory to join to use this tool for your challenge. This is just an option for some of you that is there. So what if you see, we have three paths, as I told all of you. Most of the people generally who are knowing coding, they will take up the first path. But now there is going to be a mix. A lot of people confused, can I only select one path or I can select both? It really is depending on you. A lot of people build their prototype using the second path or the first path, and then they are going to convert that into the code, that is the APIs and the Python code. Then they can take this path. So then it's just an idea for you. This challenge is for everyone, from beginners up to people who know Python and who are already founders and building something, right? So the only good thing about IRIA, that as they are partnered with us, they are giving special prizes of credits to the top three people who have used IRIA and taking it further. So they are giving us the top three people the $300 license value and credits of that you can use. So startups can also use this for their work and to build their projects depending upon that. So it's a good opportunity as well. And also we all for the for the other track, people who also have used the other track, the top three people will be getting, anyways they'll be also getting this as an option as well for them. And also, if you know the JetBrains is also one of our partners. They are also giving licenses worth $100,000 for their product of all product pack. So it's a very good opportunity. And also we want to support the women in our community. Women in AI Award, the best women submission will be getting this as well. And the rising star of our DDS Academy, like Dr. Ramant or anyone who is a part of our academy and is doing the challenge. So whoever who are there as a part of the academy and then doing it for a one rising star, for them also we are giving this particular thing. So this is a good thing not only for learning but also for these type of licenses, and also the scholarships that we give for our residency and everything will also be part of the first three people, and the top 15 will be getting a very handsome scholarship for our programs. So now this is our challenge. This is 215 people have already joined, but very few people have done the welcome checkpoint. We can only see a couple of till now we have approximately 21 people who have done out of 215 people. So I encourage you to do this, complete this, and take it further, because this will give you an idea how to use this platform, because all the submissions are going to happen in this platform 9 o'clock. The day one is going to open. Right now it is locked, but once you go through the materials, you go through the recordings, you will get an idea of how to use this platform. There is a document that you have, guys. There is a document that you have in the day zero checkpoint. Please download the document. This is a very, very important document that you have. You need to fill this document with what you want to build. So if you remember the CPE that we discussed, compass, prototype, and the evidence. The compass you have to decide right now. The first part is to decide. Like Ramant wants to build a med chatbot, so he decides what he wants to build and he is going to put it in the document, and then we has to follow the document for the next 7 days. And he cannot, maybe he can do some, he can add some features, but he cannot just again go and start doing a customer chatbot or something different completely. So because we want people to put what they are building and continue. Some of the people change a small part of their direction, but at least they are working towards their direction. So now I will just stop the sharing. I will open Slido, and then I will take any questions. Please put your questions on the chat as well. So a lot of people are asking about the recordings. The recordings, as I told you, is going to be updated in the challenge platform that is there. And the slides, when the speakers puts it, we will be sharing it. Regarding some of the other questions that most of you have regarding how can we decide our path, right? So like one student asked me that I don't know Python at all. So then for them it is a no-brainer that they need to take no-code, low-code path. If they have never seen any no-code, low-code tool like make.com, VoiceFlow, if they are completely beginner level, then take the third path, the IRIA path, join the live workshop on Monday, and then you can take it from there. So this is a question that you need to answer. Suppose you know Python, then you will be taking, this is the question that, so I hope I answered your question here. So when is the challenge starting? So as I told you, the challenge has already started. Day zero has already started. People are already started engaging in the WhatsApp, building their plans. I know few people who have already completed the document, and I'll tell you the top winners, right? If you know, today one person has joined. He's Adam Ahmed. He has done the challenge the sixth time. So how many of you have already done the challenge before? Can you just put C in the chat? If some of you have already done the challenge before, I can see Syed, Dr. Ramant has also done a challenge. I'm not sure about the others. Adam is one person. He has done the challenge 6 times. So 6 times he has done the challenge. So he is well prepared. And slowly, first he did not do well. In the second challenge, he was in the 15th position. And in the last challenge, he was in the 4th position. So it was a gradual learning, and he's in grade 8 right now. He's in a grade 8 student. So people who keep doing these challenges, they start learning how to build projects and how to take further, that is there. So Antasia is asking this question: the idea of challenge should be valid for market. So the idea can be anything. The idea can be anything that you have. It is not about the idea, it is about execution. We can have any idea that you have in your mind. You can put it across and you can start building it. And this is something that it should be an open source, because we want to look at least till the challenge. After that, you can keep the repository private, but it should be something that you are sharing, because this is a challenge, right? This is not, you cannot build something that is private, and that is something that you are building here that can be shared, and that can be a open source. Still we are evaluating it. After the judging, you can always close source it and you can take it away. It's not about the idea, it is about how you are executing. This is more like a learning challenge where we see people's quality on the three different things, five different things are there, sorry. You can look at the challenge page. So now what I'm going to do is, let me I hope I answered your question. Just put C if you answered your question. Now I am going to open the mic. Anyone wants to speak, you want to raise your hands, you want to speak, I am going to keep the room open for 5 minutes, and then we will be winding off for the day. Look forward for all of you to join the challenge and take it further. So now the mics are on. Anyone wants to speak, they can speak and take further. Ramant, you, how are things? You,
Hi, hi everyone. Things are going good. Long time we didn't see each other, right?
yes, yes. Thank you for joining the call. Anyone else, you want to share anything? You want to share your experience about these challenges and all these, the community, because you have been here for a long time. You can unmute. I have unmuted the mics. Anyone can unmute.
I think the challenge is a good thing. I encourage all the participants to do this challenge. It improves your perspective, and it also improves your communication skills. That's what I got from the challenges, or even the events which I attend, conducted by Mr. Ashad. So I encourage to participate actively. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. So I have been doing these type of academy sessions for 8 to 9 years. So I feel that the theory is good, understanding like what even Mr. Muzahid told, concepts, and then putting it into practice, right? And challenge gives you a very, very good opportunity to put everything into perspective, right? So I request everyone so right now AI is automating lot of things, right? But some things like working in a group, collaborating with communities, and communication, these are some skills that you need a platform to have, and we are trying to provide this platform. So please take this positively. Try to engage as much as possible. More you engage, more the better it is going to be for all of you. So please do your checkpoints and complete. Just stay. What I have seen, that people who stick till the day 8, they are the winners. Everyone who submits and he stays back, who does not give up, they are the winners. It just takes time and patience. Cool. 2 minutes. Any other comments? Any other things before we stop the session? Any other questions regarding the challenge or regarding anything else you want to speak up? You can unmute. The mics are open for everyone. Cool. I think no one is speaking or asking anything. So again, okay, cool. So I'm getting one question again. So I'm taking the Slido, right? I am a beginner in AI. From where to start? Understanding the pillars of AI scaling. Adil is asking this question. So you start with Python, start with understanding LLMs, start with, taking a simple project. So what I will suggest you, Adil, is take the IRIA path. That is the no code, low code path, that third path. If you are completely not new to AI, you understand how an application works, how small things are connected. So that is the best way. So for people who are completely new to AI, there is a third path for you to take. And if you're a little bit what happens in the first challenge, you will take the third path. In the second challenge, you will take the first path. So that is how you will learn and take it further. So but you need to spend time in learning Python and other things that are there to make you understand how things work, understand how LLM works, how application works, and how the things are happening together. Cool. Then, thank you everyone for your time. Thank you everyone for joining. The team is going to update the recording and put it in the community platform. If there are no more questions, good night everyone, and see you in the next Saturday, 11 a.m. We have a community meetup. So please do join that meetup and ask all your questions on the WhatsApp group. Bye bye. Thank you, Raman. Bye bye.